Watch. Hear me, man. Hey, the world, it's not a plan. Watch what go on, Carefully, A franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You know when I come to represent, you know I'm full effective. You know it go already, man. When I load up, aim up, crank up, and drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. You know a loud explosion bout ya. Watch me, man. I'm the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Yo, watch this. I'm the most electrifying man for YouTube entertainment business. Watch. Gaza Nation. I will show you why them scared of me. Because here what I go on. I don't really deal with gimmicks. Before I say I spit some lyrics. Is what I deal with? I don't deal with lollipop thing. Is what I deal with? Right about now, I see Flex come out and I chat up him more. But here what I go on. Before I say anything, what's wrong with the pasta ras them? Or the loaning ras them? Eh? Because the ras them love go around and say, well then, them not eat chicken. A man catch them and eat an egg sandwich and I say, but ras, you know, say the whole of the fowl you eat with all the feather upon it said there. Because the egg you eat, the birthright. You know, see you eat the whole of the fowl with all the feather upon it and it don't ever pick off. Then them get mad. You see what I deal with? Because here what go on. Me hear him say a badness run dance hall. Let me tell you youth and youth, dying ain't a living. Now follow no lollipop boy, you hear me? Dying ain't a living. Him can't find one or two bad man who can show you no farmer enterprise where him set up out of badness and I run that consecutively year after year. Make a man tell you no stupidness. A politician and police run the country, you hear that? Go against politician and you see what? Yeah? Let's go against the man them now. And you'll find out what happens. Yo, all what me see happen, right about now in a Gaza Nation. It look like, Flex, Is either I'm badmind popcaan because the man a link with Jake, You know what I mean? I'm badmind the youth team success, You know what I mean? I talk about them run uptown and them this and that. You buying a house uptown, give nobody? In buying a house uptown, give nobody? Yo, I'm gonna say one thing, Hopefully, when September morning come, and school resume back in action, You see all of them poor and needy family there, we get low upon money business just because of COVID-19 and the single parents them, I hope we see Flex, pan live camera, I help out the people them with some of them bad man money, and some of them egg money, that the youth them can go back to school, You see what I deal with? Yeah. Because you know got the education. And that will give you the knowledge, And that will make you can help yourself. So if him not go do that for the youth them, a grand spend and cassava piece where him run up him mouth claim say him run. You see what I dealing? Nobody listen to him. So I go wait till September morning before me even address him again. Because he might claim say him a this and him a that. And he might take on title upon himself when I don't even know where I talk about. Because the last time me taking the only God in a dance hall was Grum Godzilla, Everything else where you see come after that I follow, And behind the 5-star general them each up and I call themselves God, You hear that? So I don't know where my chat say, You know what I mean? A bad man, you bad mind the youth. Because the youth success, you can run the man from him place where him go buy uptown. You chat him out, man. I tweet you more, man. I don't even a gimmicks business. Tweet off your mouth, man. And I try to violate the youth them. That's what I deal with for no reason at all. You know what I mean? Because Jake, when I claim say Jake, this my father. How it turn on from popcorn? That I want to know. How that reach popcorn? If Jake violate the man, how that reach popcorn? Or you come out and talk about popcorn? What popcorn have to do with that? What popcorn have to do with that? More you tell the people them, you know. If I'm not bad mind, you're bad mind, you know. Something wrong with you, you know, you. You know what I mean? Something off wrong with you. And me hear you call the man inform and I call the man all type of name. Remember you yourself not credible? Remember that, you know? Yeah, just remember that you yourself not credible. Not credible. You yourself not credible. You see what I deal with? You yourself not credible, you know, boy. You're there chat up your mouth, you know. Like you're bad people, you know. You're not bad people, you know, my brother. Yeah, you're not bad people, you know. I'm sure you know that, you know. You see what I deal with? Because we never hear your name called for nothing yet, you know. And that's why you're not busting on music business, you know. Because now go like you know, too bad, you know. And no badness run music, a hit song run music. A good song and hit song run music. Me never see copy a bad up herself, you know. She just come do some nice music and win the Grammy just like that, you know. You see what I deal with? So I don't want you fool the youth them at Jamaica and I tell the youth them no fuckery, you know. You see what I deal with? About the badness, you know. What you think? You think dying is a living? No, it ain't a living. So I don't know why you're there and I chat up your mouth and I tell the youth them. But hopefully, as I say, hopefully September morning, when the people them, the poor and needy, them need to go back to school. I hope you use your bad man money and your egg money. You see me I deal and supply the youth them. You is not a credible youth. You are the one who come out from Winford Williams program. Tell Winford say, oh my father not deal with no straight. And oh my father all for himself. And oh everybody from the Gaza have name. But Gully side come like I got my father name the whole Gully side. You know what I mean? You claim say Gully squad supposed to be a crew. And you say it ain't a crew. It's like a my father name at the whole Gully side. You see what I deal with? And you tell Winfred say, oh, are you give him the watch when name my father and call him my father and write song give him. You see what I deal with? And then him come back the following week from Winford Williams program and in Paris you send give a few $100. That mean a $200 him give. You go check him and him give you $200. You see what I did? You think my virgin can come check me and me give him a two. And me give him 2 apartments that him not have to pay rent. Him just have that permanent original 10-star with statement. You think no boy can't hear that out of my mouth? So the moment me go in my pocket and rip off necessary equipment and gear, me not chat about that again, never again. Because first thing, I thought about anything at all where you tell me before me even gear. And I know you bad me up and take it from me. You ask me and I rip off necessary and make you have it. You see what I did when I come back come chat about. Big superstar I gear 2 days. And they're on big on stage. You see what I did and I act like I some crackhead in my deal with. And give a few look at $100. Yo, I'm telling you something, you know. You know I'm gonna go around and run in the mouth, you know that. No make the youth them follow you know, because nobody go like you can trick the youth them, you know. You know nothing about badness, you know, and they chat up on the mouth, you know, and about this and that and all kind of shit. You know, it's because what I feel like. I'm there live, you hear me? Yo, I'm there live, you cannot talk to me right now and lock up your foot, man, miss. Come to you, man. They call me that way that out. Fuck, you call me a skin out you big. Hey, yo. You're a big woman, you know. Bumbuckler. Hear me I say. Hear me I say. Properly. Don't feel like you can trick the youth them, you know. You know, no look of folly, you know. Because over the years, you know, all the bad man them when me know, you know, a temporary thing. You hear me? Short-term thing. You hear that? So me know dying ain't a living. So no come talk no name brand bad man. Cause nobody no known as no bad man. Wanna come chat boy. Eh? Wanna come chat boy. That's why every time I have to make people know, no care which part I'm there in the world, I make people know say me a junglist for life. Cause no lollipop thing. You can't chat to no junglist with no whoop me. You have to skin out your gun like a prostitute. If you not skin that out like a prostitute, boy, with your figure and your pose in chat. Cause some look at you to make you know say your figure you play with that, a pose you pose with that. And make you know him have 6 dopey underneath him girl time if you want to be the 7-1. Him not no problem with that. You know what I mean? And that's some look at you I gotta tell you. You come and talk about badness like you have a award for that? You have some successful achievement for that? Make sure you spend your bad man money, you know, and your egg money upon the youth them that them can get some knowledge in them head that them can help themselves. You hear that? And let me tell you something, all they there they are chat and I chat. Yo, you can write song, me not gonna take that from you. And you have lyrics. But the voice where you have, it don't match up with the lyrics where you have. And you can't write the rhythm properly. And you can't style the rhythm. You cannot style the rhythm with the lyrics them. And at that you know. You hear that? At that you know. Because if you're a songwriter, you write song the man. I'm gonna sing your song where you write game. And I clock up how much #1 and a hit song. And them shit that you can sing your own song, feed it. At that if you talk about. You pre-popcorn just because the youth. Just because the youth set up himself nice. At that you pre the man final. A bad mind you up against the unruly boss in a youth. And you can't do the youth nothing, you know. And I know gimmicks thing, because you have to talk about wait till when it start. When what start? What? When what start? What do you mean when it start? When what start? Eh? You fight for the poor people them rights in Jamaica? Eh? You fight for help the poor and needy? You fight for send no youth go back to school. Eh? You fight against the system. You abandon the people them to nothing. Eh? You come and chat up your mouth and yo, let me tell you something you now follow lippy mouth flex, you know. You hear me? Cause let me tell you something. Him say him not eat fowl, but him eat egg. That mean him eat the fowl with all the feather upon it. This is what I deal with, a pastor rush that. I take no talk from him. We don't know a 10-star the general I represent a full effect. I know it already, you know, each and every time I represent it, I know it got loud expression. Make sure to share it. Because we need the pastor rush to see this one. You hear that, Gaza Nation? 10-star. Watch.